Hey guys, welcome back to iMyFone channel. Want to control your Android screen from your PC? Looking to play mobile games like PUBG on your computer? Using a keyboard for PUBG is just too awesome. Or maybe you want to browse social media on a bigger screen and enjoy the impact it brings. Well, guess what? iMyFone-Your can make all of that happen. Stay tuned as I walk you through how to do it. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone-Your from description below on your computer and launch the program. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the PC with a USB cable and choose your devices. Then select Transfer Files for a USB connection and continue. Just follow the instructions on the window to connect. And then move to Setting About Phone and then Software Information. Then go to Developer option. Enable the USB debugging on your Android devices when USB is connected. Wow, magic! Your Android phone screen is successfully mirrored to the computer. Then, in the sidebar, click the mouse icon. It will turn blue. You can now easily control your Android device from your PC. Look how smooth it is. Of course, you can also use the keyboard features while gaming. And you can enjoy mobile games or reply messages on social platforms with a large screen by using keyboard and mouse. In PUBG Mobile, you can fully control the game using your computer keyboard. Let me show you an amazing gaming experience. Check out how smoothly and effortlessly I control my Android phone with the keyboard. It's just so convenient. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you found the video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends. See you next time.